Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. I hope you guys doing well in this winter season, guys. I'm in Florida and I can tell you I never seen nothing like that before. I have ice in front of my house. Oh my goodness, I can only imagine for those of you that live up north. Today, guys, I'm jumping right into the video. As you can see, I have new addition to my home. I'm so excited, guys. I wanted this Neewer for so long. I finally have it. And guys, today I'm going to redo my living room. I removed the Christmas trees and I haven't posted any after Christmas video yet. Today is the day for me to show you my after Christmas decor at my home is for this winter season. Guys, you know spring is around the corner and Valentine's as well. And I want to show you guys how it is right now before I can redo it again for spring and Valentine's. I love those chairs because they have been gifted to me for a special someone. And guys, I like the color, but for the holiday season, like fall. But other than that, I always put chair covers on them just to go with the neutral decor I always have in my home. I always take some time to welcome everyone that's new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. After I'm done with the chair, I have to remove the extra Christmas decor that I have left. And guys, I love to clean my mirror with this glass cleaner, and it's really nice to have. I think I bought it from Walmart, but you can find it anywhere at the grocery store or any local store, guys. This Neewer, guys, is extremely beautiful for me. I always wanted to have one. I even DIY one because I love it so much. I finally have my hands on one. So guys, you're gonna see so many videos on this. I'm going to leave the link of everything that I have in my home in the description box down below for you guys. If something interests you, please feel free to check them out and make sure to buy to my link. Like that, you support the channel for more videos like this one. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Sur la première fois, moi je te bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec vos amis. Dans la vidéo, ça m'a montré qui j'aime moi après décorer quand moi after Noël. Si nous remerciez, s'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo avec vos amis. Et si pas la première fois tout, moi dis merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. Moi remercie. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon merci, guys. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support, mes amours. Je vous aime.
There's a face in the mirror I think I know. I guess I'm stuck.
Today I didn't remove the rug when I was doing the cleaning because that's exact same rug I'm going to use again. So what I do, I just fold it and then clean as I go and clean the table. After that, I'm going to vacuum the rug because I'm going to use the exact same rug. Since the white rug, so I don't want to step too much on it. And just don't give me too much work to do, guys. It's not a lazy way, but it's another way for me to just save time and my energy and clean my home efficiently, if I may say it this way. Okay, guys, I'm going to use those pillows. That's the one that I had in the other sectional sofa. And I'm going to add some flowers. Just, I love that flowers and greenery all together. I don't want too heavy colors because it's still for the winter that I decorate the house. And guys, this vacuum is from Cloudpool. And if you want a nice, perfect vacuum, this one can be a good option. I'm going to have a video review coming very soon. But guys, that's the way I have it right now and I really love it. It helps so much. Very, very powerful because this rug is a 4x4 rug. And guys, it's very, very difficult to vacuum a rug like this. And then this vacuum is all you need right now. If you want to clean, deep clean, that's all you need because it's very, very powerful. I have some stain in the rug. I'm going to show you exactly how I clean it. I did the first pass of the vacuuming and to see exactly all the stain that I have. Like I said, I'm not going to remove the rug. I'm going to keep it until next week when I'm going to redecorate for spring. And guys, as you can see how I do, I spray. I mix vinegar and dish soap all together just to remove the stain. As you can see, the stain on the rug. And I'm going to clean it. After that, I'm going to re-vacuum again. Yeah, that's the way I do, guys. It's a lot of maintenance, but I love it. I'll take the maintenance any day, anytime. After I remove the stain, I let it dry for a minute. And after that, I vacuum again. That's the way I do to clean my home when I have this white rug in. I already have a new rug that I love so much. And I'm going to use it for spring. I just want to leave that for now to enjoy my white decor since we're still in winter season. And guys, I really love the way my home turns out. Okay guys, this is a finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Even if you don't like it, I still want to hear from you guys.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.